Are you looking at your main inbox and spot some emails where you want to take quick action? Want to snooze an email, label it, reply, or even open it into a new window for later? No need to go into the email first. Just right-click and take any of those actions in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's productivity advisor. Today we'll show you how to use the right-click menu in Gmail. Let's get started. From your main inbox screen, hover over an email and right-click as you choose from the list of actions you can complete, including reply, archive, label as, snooze, and more. So there you have it. Take action on your email from the inbox view in just one easy step. If you have any specific questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below.